अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी,
तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी, विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Hari Om to everyone else. My heartfelt condolence to the great soul Ram Pratap Gupta ji. My heartful thank to his daughter Shalini ji. Daughter in Sanskrit is Kanya. Kamnayati iti Kanya. जिसको देखने पर, जिसका जन्म होने पर शरीर मन में आनंद उत्पन्न होता है, वही कन्या है. And as a daughter, Shalini ji is doing the same thing. It is our scriptural tradition that we chant few chapters of Bhagavad Gita. Then I will tell something else about what is death according to our Shastra. Our Shastra means Veda. So those you have any book of Bhagavad Gita, they can see it. Whoever can memorize, they can chant with me, but muting your phone or your computer. I'm first chanting 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ अष्टमोऽध्यायः. अर्जुन उवाच किं तद् ब्रह्म किमध्यात्मम् किं कर्म पुरुषोत्तम अधिभूतं च किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवं किमुच्यते अधियज्ञः कथं कोत्र देहेऽस्मिन् मधुसूदन प्रयाणकाले च कथं ज्ञेयोऽसि नियतात्मभिः श्रीभगवानुवाच अक्षरं ब्रह्म परमं स्वभावोऽध्यात्ममुच्यते भूतभावोद्भवकरः विसर्गः कर्म संगितः अधिभूतं क्षरो भावः पुरुषश्चाधिदैवतम् अधियज्ञोऽहमेवात्र देहे देहभृतां वर अन्तकाले च मामेव स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलेवरं यः प्रयाति समद्भावं याति नास्त्यस्त्र संशयः यं यं वापि स्मरन् भावं त्यजन्त्यन्ते कलेवरं तं तमेवैति कौन्तेय भावभावितः तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मर युध्य च मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम् अभ्यासयोगयुक्तेन चेतसा नान्यगामिना परमं पुरुषं दिव्यं याति पार्थानुचिन्तयन्. ॐ कविं पुराणम् अनुशासितारम् अणोरणीयान् स्मरेद्यः सर्वस्य धातारमचिन्त्य रूपम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषम् उपैति यच्छन्तो ब्रह्म चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूढ्याधायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम् ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम् अनन्यचेताः सततं यो मां स्मरति नित्यसः तस्याहं सुलभः पार्थ नित्ययुक्तस्य योगिनः मामुपेत्य पुनर्जन्म दुःखा नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः संसिद्धिं परमां गताः आब्रह्मभुवना पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन मामेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न सहस्रयुगपर्यन्तम् अहर्यब्रह्मणो विदुः रात्रिं युगसहस्रान्तां देहोरात्रविदो जनाः अव्यक्ताद्व्यक्तयः सर्वाः प्रभवन्त्यः रागमे रात्र्यागमे प्रलीयन्ते तत्रैवाव्यक्तसंज्ञके भूतगामः स एवायं भूत्वा भूत्वा प्रलीयते प्रभवत्यः रागमे परस्तस्मात्तु भावोऽन्यः अव्यक्तो व्यक्तात् सनातनः यः स सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यत्सु न विनश्यति अव्यक्तोऽक्षर इत्युक्तः तमाहुः परमां गतिम् यं प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम पुरुषः स परः पार्थ भक्त्या लभ्यस्त्वनन्यया वस्यान्तस्थानि भूतानि येन सर्वमिदं ततं यत्र काले त्वनावृत्तिम् आवृत्तिं चैव योगिनः प्रयातां यान्ति तं कालं वक्ष्यामि भरतर्षभ अग्निर्ज्योतिरः शुक्लः षण्मासा उत्तरायणं तत्र प्रयाता गच्छन्ति ब्रह्मविदो जनाः धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा दक्षिणायनं तत्र चान्द्रमसं ज्योतिः योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते शुक्लकृष्णे गतिः येते जगते एकया यात्यनावृत्तिम् अन्यया वर्तते पुनः नैते सृति पार्थ जानन् योगी मुह्यति कश्चन तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपस्सु चैव दानेषु यत्पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम् ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे Akshara Brahma Yogo Nama Ashtama Adhyayah. Hari Om. Vasamsi Jirnani Yatha Vihaya. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan is telling, whenever our clothes become torn, अगर हमारा ये वस्त्र पुराना हो जाता है या फाटा हो जाता है, टूटा फूटा हो जाता है, जैसे हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं, ऐसे ही जीव इस शरीर रूपी पोशाक को पूरी तरीका से व्यवहार करने के बाद छोड़ देता है. What is life? Life is nothing but the exhaustion of our previous karma, which is called prarabdha karma. In Bhajagovindam, there is a famous sloka to think upon it. Kate kanta kaste putra. And there, one line is there. Kahatvam kutaha ayatah. Who is your wife? Who is your husband? Who is your son? Who is your daughter? Who are you? From where you have come? Where will you go? In Bengali, there is a famous song, Swami Vivekananda used to sing it. Judaite chai kothai judai kotha hote ashi kotha bheshe jai জানে না কেবা এসেছি কোথায় কেন বা এসেছি কেবা নিয়ে যায় ফিরে ফিরে আসি. Many a times the jiva takes the birth according to its karma. Jiva takes either this body or the body of the animal or the body of the tree or the body of the creatures. Our karma decides in which family we will take birth. Our karma decides how long we will live. So now the question may arise, then everything, if it is determined by our karma, then what is our role? Yes, we have role. Bhagavan has given us purushakara, self-effort. So in this very life, what we do, that is our new karma, and that accumulated karma phala decides our next birth. Then there is no liberation from this chakra of Janma Mrityu. Yes, it is there. If we get the answer that why we take birth, and if we can solve it and resolve it and dissolve it, then we can be liberated, not only after the death, even in this very life, we can get liberation. That is our Shastra says. Only the Vedantic Dharma, Vedantic scripture says that yes, liberation or moksha is possible in this very life. How is it possible? Because desire brings us everything else. Durlabham trayamevaitat devanugraha hetukam purushvatvam manushvatvam mumukshutvam mahapurusha samsrayah. Yes, by the grace of God, three things we get, the three rare things. This human birth, it is not invaluable. The most valuable thing we have got, the most valuable gift we have got from the God, Because in this very life, only we can think upon God. We can do something else. If anyone does good karma, he is sent to heaven. But in godly body, there is no tapasya, no sadhana. Whenever the good karma fal will be exhausted, then again we have to take birth according to our karma. But in this very human birth, we can do. As far as I have heard from Shalini ji, and what about I have read her very nice and heart-touching poem, that Ram Pratap Gupta ji was really a great soul who devout his life for the well-being of the others. My heartful prayer to the Lord for his liberation, because this life, the life of a common man or life of any superior person, samsar or mortal life cannot be 100% happy unless and until the knowledge comes. Liberation is not possible. Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji says, Jnanena evat kaivalyam. If you want to know, if you want to be liberated, you have to know your true nature, your intrinsic nature. Who are you? I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am that Atma. That knowledge should be imbibed within us. For transaction, we need a form. For transaction, we need a name. But that is only form and name. Actually, we are formless. Like, water. In a cold area, it takes the form of ice, but it is formless. Likewise, for the transaction, the jiva takes this form. But whenever we identify with this body that this is I am Divakar Chaitanya, this body is I, the problem starts. Then only we start thinking that my body's problem is my problem. In newspaper, we listen to a lot of things that in this big mobile shop, last night there was a big fire and all the mobile phones are burnt into ashes. And what do we do? Oh, very sad. So many mobile phones are there, just the hundreds. But just think, if I lose my small mobile phone, what is my condition? Because I am having the attachment with that gadget. So same thing, when I am attached with this mortal body, which I have to live, the thing will come. I hope, as I have heard, that Ram Pratap Gupta ji knew his intrinsic nature, and I pray for his liberation to the Supreme Being. Om swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahishaha go brahmanebhyah subhamastu nityam loka samastas sukhino bhavantu kale varshatu parjanyah prithvi sasya shalini desho yam kshovarahitah brahmanas santu nirbhayaah. Om sarvesham santirbhavatu, sarvesham swastirbhavatu, sarvesham mangalam bhavatu, sarvesham purnam bhavatu. Om asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma mritam gamaya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम to everyone else. Thank you, Shalini ji.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you for being with us and praying for my dad. Very, very grateful.
Thank you. Thank you. Hari Om.